Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, we are going to be reviewing Taraji P Henson's new hair care line, and I cannot wait to try these products out just to see how they would work. Now, supposedly these products were supposed to drop like I think on January the 29th, but I went to my local Target and they already had the line out, and I think it's only sold exclusively to Target. So if you guys are interested in trying this product out, I would definitely highly recommend that you guys go ahead and pick them up. But anyway, this is the Hustle and Co co-wash. So it looks like just here. So I can't wait to try that. The packaging is really nice, but you guys know, as far as with me, packaging is nice and it's easy to sell, but what matters is what's inside, and you want to make sure that these items are actually working. But the packaging is nice. So again, this is the Hustle and Co co-wash. And then also I picked up the Make It Rain Hydration Rich Conditioner, which basically is the same, looks just similar to the co-wash, so we'll be using those. Also, she has like a moisturizing deep conditioner or a hair mask, and then I think she has like this after night recovery hair mask. I didn't pick those up, but she also has like this protein powered gel mask. Also, she has this Detangling leave-in conditioner, which I picked up as well. It says it's a ride or die a detangling conditioner, so you guys can see that. And last but not least, I also picked up the Tough Cookie styling gel, so I can't wait to try that out as well. So yeah, we're just going to basically jump in and get started. Okay, so I just finished basically rinsing my hair because I do want to come on camera and show you guys the Hustle & Co Rich Co-Wash. So this is 12 ounces, and it does say that it's for curly and coily hair. I think this is so yeah, it does have like this smell to it. I don't know if you guys would like that. As you can see, it's pretty creamy. Put it on here. Let's see what we're working with. Ooh. I'm not a fan of the smell, at least not on this co-wash. I can definitely tell you guys that. But what I will say is this definitely has slip. It's got a lot of slip to it, so that's a good thing. I'm just going to rake this through with my fingers. So the Hustle & Co co-wash is infused with shea butter, olive, and sage oils. This co-wash claims to be so moisturizing that you won't need any additional conditioner, but I always add a deep conditioner to all of my wash routines, so yeah. I've let the co-wash sit in for a little bit. I'm just going to kind of detangle with a wide tooth comb. So yeah, I can tell I'm really feeling the co-wash. It does have wonderful slip, and I can definitely feel with the co-wash in my hair feels soft. And it's pretty moisturized. I'm hoping that once it rinses out, it's going to be that way as well. I am loving the co-wash. If you guys could feel how soft my hair is, it is really amazing. Wow, this is really creamy. I am loving this co-wash. Wow, that's amazing. Feels really good. So after rinsing the co-wash, my hair is moisturized, clean, and soft. I'm going to section my hair for the protein gel mask. Watery, look guys. It's a little bit watery. Ooh, well, I can kind of see through. It's a little bit watery. Look at that. So the protein gel took me by surprise. It's watery and I didn't expect for it to be thin. I'm really used to thick masks. I'm brushing the mask through for even consistency. I'm going to finish up and sit under the dryer for about 20 minutes. After rinsing the mask, my hair felt really good. It was soft and it made my curls pop. I'm taking a Ride or Die Detangling leave-in conditioner. It's not watery, it's more creamy. I feel like the leave-in should be in a jar. I find that creamy leave-ins are hard to come out of when it's in a spray bottle, and I wish it was also a bigger size because it's only 4 ounces. But I love the leave-in. It's lightweight and it's easy to detangle with. It has biotin, marigold, spearmint, and ginseng in it, which I can definitely smell the spearmint. Next, I'm taking a defining gel, and it's more like a custard to me. You can see how liquid it is, but it does have good slip. I'm raking the gel in a bit and then I'm brushing it through. My curls are shiny and defined and the gel is lightweight. This gel has flaxseed and castor oil, so I can see why it does have so much slip. You can see just how moisturized my hair is from the leave-in conditioner. Throughout this process, you can see me apply more gel, which you do not want to do, and I will explain why later. Guys, so I am finished applying the gel. And I'm just going to, you can see how defined the curls are. They're really, really bouncy and soft. Like I said, hopefully the definition and everything stays in, since this gel looks like it's going to be a soft defining gel. So we'll see, but so far I do like it. I love the way my hair feels. It just feels super lightweight. and very soft. And honestly, I'm really surprised that I even have this much definition because the gel is so soft. Okay guys, so here's the finished look, and I set them in the dryer, I want to say for about an hour, and then I just kind of used my handheld blow dryer just to stretch it out just a little bit. One thing I do want to mention is this gel here. Whew, oh my gosh guys, you have to really be careful with it because it does flake. Like, I'm telling you, it just like literally flakes. And like when I sat under the dryer, this stuff here, please do not underestimate this gel. I mentioned that, you know, that this gel is probably going to be too soft for my hair, but it is a total opposite. My hair was like so crunchy. Like literally it was so crunchy. I felt like, and it was just like really hard when I was sitting under the dryer. As I was sitting letting my hair dry, when I got up from under the dryer, I literally felt like I had the Apogee two-step protein treatment on my hair. That's just how hard that this gel is. So definitely do not underestimate this thing. This thing has a lot of hold to it, and I'm telling you guys, I'm just like, I was really shocked and I was really surprised at how crunchy my hair was. But I was able to break the cast. Of course, I used just a little bit of oil to break the cast, and then also me stretching it with my handheld blow dryer helped with that. It definitely does flake, so that is something that you definitely want to be careful with. I didn't apply as much like I normally would, so maybe that helped with controlling some of the flakiness, but I still had some flakes nonetheless. You guys probably can see like right here, it's flaking. So I would say, you know, if you're looking to purchase this styling gel, you definitely want to be careful with that. I feel like I was basically able to save my wash and go, because at first I thought it was going to be a hot mess, but I still like the gel. I think it's just going to get it's going to take me some time to get used to. So yeah, that is pretty much my review on it. If you guys are trying the Taraji P Henson hair care line, let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will chat with you guys later. Bye!